If you've ever wanted to know what it takes to get the shot, no matter what piece of equipment, no matter what situation, no matter what's going on, like lightning, well, you know what? That's what's next. So tonight, guys, I am coming to you from my cell phone because we're doing this kind of quick and barehanded. I don't have all of my cameras with me and my bag with me and my tripod plate because I left it at work. It was a long day at work. I got home exhausted, but we had a lightning display on tonight. And what's going on right now is in the Gulf of Mexico, there's a tropical storm called Barry out there, and it is coming straight beeline for Lafayette, Louisiana. So it's going to be on top of us tomorrow and Saturday. Today is Thursday, and that storm is coming to us. Well, I can tell you in my 40 years, this is probably my 8th or ninth decent storm coming through. Some majors, some minors, and you know, it's not going to be that bad. We got to watch out for flooding and massive rains, but where I'm at, it's never flooded before. So what's happened is tonight they started having some little bands come in, and we had some lightning, and I wanted to capture it. So tonight I'm going to do it with, it doesn't matter what. So tonight I decided that I was going to do slow motion, and the secret to all of this, and it doesn't matter if you're doing videography, it doesn't matter if you're doing photography, if it doesn't matter anything with a camera, what takes everybody to a new level, what takes a regular landscape photographer to the next level of being an Ansel Adams, what takes, you know, Tim Wallace from being a regular car photographer to being one of the most epic photographers out there, what takes all of these people that, you know, and YouTubers that want to create videos and want to create stuff, what takes the Nick Nimmons and the Brian G. Johnsons and all these other guys and the Peter McKinnons to the next level. This is the secret. Yeah, I'm not ready to tell you yet. As a photographer and a guy with cameras, there's a couple of things I start getting excited about when it comes to storms. Is I'm gonna go out there and shoot the storms, and I'm gonna try to get my camera set up and see if I can go shoot some lightning or some storms at night. This thing's really supposed to kick up around Friday night, tomorrow night, so that should be an exciting time to do it. And we'll see what happens as the different storms roll in. So this should be a good photography adventure. I have been out here since way before sunset. It's almost been about 45 minutes messing around with slow motions on my iPhone because that's the only camera I have with me right now, but that's fine because it doesn't matter. I'm so pumped up because I caught lightning on my iPhone in slow motion. It's pretty wicked. It all happened in a split second. Okay, so the secret is patience. So here's what happened tonight. I went outside and the sun was still up and it started raining and then it stopped raining and then it rained for 5 more minutes and then it got pretty nasty and the rain started coming in pretty hard and I was filming it all and then I was running around in the front yard and I got excited and you know I started catching a couple of little lightning flicks and stuff like that, and then it started to get darker, and as it started to get darker I started to get more lightning, and then it really paid off because I was out there for an hour and a half, and I'm not even gonna lie, I took, you know, minutes at a time in one position, waiting and hoping and trying to target the lightning, and I got a few awesome shots and I'm gonna show them to you now. And I can tell you it's the most exciting thing is when you actually get one, and then I'm doing it in super slow motion, so you know you had to sit there and pick apart all these things because some of these videos were 8 and 9 minutes long of super slow motion to catch 10 seconds of great footage. It's the patience, it's the want, it's the need to create something amazing. It's the work ethic, it's the wanting it worse than you want to breathe, wanting it more than you want to sleep, wanting it more than you want to eat. Because by the way, I didn't eat dinner until after all of this took place. And you know, it's just something that, you know, lightning or the perfect sunset or the perfect day when the fog comes in or whatever creative shot you're trying to create, you're gonna have to work for it and you're gonna have to stay out there and get out there. And I can tell you so many times I've gone out and chased lightning, and you can see the lightning picture on the wall behind me. This is one of the very first lightning pictures I got, and that was on the cover of newspapers, and that was, you know, all over the place. It was pretty amazing, and Weather Channel posted it, and I think Weather Nation posted it, one of those guys. But you know, when you finally captured a shot after working so hard, and there's been so many times I've gone out chasing lightning and I've never even posted a single shot because none of them were the quality I want, or none of them were the location I wanted, or none of them got this bolt that I wanted, or they were out of focus, or whatever the reasoning. It's a lot of work, and I can guarantee you that Ansel Adams didn't walk out, set up a camera, take a picture, and walk home. He spent weeks and months out in the middle of nowhere trying to get these perfect light shots, and it's light. So the secret to all of this and what you need to know is patience. And I missed a lot of lightning bolts tonight because I was looking down at my camera to see if I had gotten the last one, and then a flash would go off and a bolt would go by, and I missed some. But don't ever just know you're gonna capture the shot you want. And it doesn't matter if it's lightning or people or portraits or kids, or, because kids can be probably worse than lightning sometimes. Just remember, patience. And if you know you wait for it, the payoff is amazing. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and this is Jeff with Breaking Down Photography, where I just try to break down photography into easy terms so that we can all jump over some hurdles and get to where we want to go faster. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip, because this is a major tip in photography. Learn some patience, get the shot. Doesn't matter how hard you got to work for it, the payoff's worth it. Stick with me, guys. Got a lot more coming. Later.